Okay.
Share my life, take me for what I am, 'cause I'll never change all my colors for you. I don't really need to look very much further. I don't wanna have to go where you won't follow. I won't hold it back again. This passion inside, I can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide. Your love I remember forever.
Oh my God.
Well, don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. I must stay imagine you there. Don't walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you dare. I must stay imagine you there. Don't walk away from me. Don't walk away from me. Don't you dare walk away from me. I have nothing, nothing, nothing. If I don't have you.
Wow.
If I don't have you.
Mel, let me go to you first.
Oh my gosh, you are so powerful. And man, and I know you've had a journey to get here, but thank you, thank you, thank you for showing up.
Thank you so much.
Heidi.
Gosh, this is not what it sounds like when I sing that song in the shower. You are incredible.
Thank you so
That was
much,
so
Heidi. I
good.
appreciate that.
I love the fact that little shy Johnny's really a diva.
Thank you.
And I want to see a bit more of that.
Okay.
Yeah, but what's great about you is you are somebody who can nail and sell a song.
Thank you. It means a lot.
Now we are going to have to vote. Let me start with Howie.
You're not going to be surprised by my answer. It's a yes for me.
Mel.
I loved it. Yes.
Heidi.
Of course you're going to get another yes from me. Yes.
Thank you, Heidi.
Okay, Johnny Manuel, you are going through with 4 yeses.
Thank you so much.